Instrumental was such a personal book, it was quite a hard book to write. Especially with the legal battle that followed. It took a lot out of me, and I thought it'd be quite nice to do something simpler, back to basics, back to what I really, really love, the kind of absolute center of my life, which is music. I got an email a few weeks ago from a guy in Mexico, and he said, "Dear James, I'm a retired professional airline pilot in Mexico, and I used to play the piano when I was a kid, and I always regretted giving it up. And I read your book, Instrumental, and after I finished it, I bought a piano, and I got a piano teacher, and I play every day, and I have a lesson every week." And then he finished the message, and he said, "These are my best days." And I just thought, God, what an amazing, some guy the other side of the world read my book and is now playing the piano again. So I thought, imagine if so many people have said to me they used to play and they really regret giving it up. And it's never too late. I think that's the most important message. It's never too late to start playing or to resume playing. So I thought if we could do a book that could promise within 6 weeks it would give you the tools to play a piece of Bach, I think that would be a really lovely thing to do, because it's one of the last things we have left that looks inside of us, that isn't focused on, Twitter retweets or Facebook likes or swiping on Tinder. It's something personal just for us. It doesn't involve selfies or buying things. You don't need a big piano, you can have a little electric keyboard. So that's what I wanted to do, and I thought, I don't think it's really been done before, just one specific piece, 45 minutes a day, 6 weeks, done. So that was the plan, and seems to be possible.